Hey, welcome back. We are here for the YOUmedia Miami Dad Joke Challenge. I'm your host, Colin, and I'm joined with...
Izzy Dion. I'm your SoundCloud, Izzy Dion. I'm your Instagram, Izzy Dion. Twitter, Izzy Dion.
I don't have any of that, so I can't. I'm not gonna tell them any of that stuff. But what I am gonna tell them is the rules of Dad Joke Challenge. So basically, we're gonna take turns telling really corny jokes back and forth, and we're gonna try not to laugh. So we're gonna start it off. Here, I'll let you start off with the first dad joke.
What do you call a fake noodle?
A fake noodle?
Yeah.
I don't know.
An impasta.
That's good. Yeah, because it sounds like imposter,
Yeah.
which is fake. Okay, I got you.
Yeah.
I got you, man. I got you. That was good.
Yeah.
Good try.
Yeah.
All right, man. What do Alexander the Great and Winnie the Pooh have in common?
What do they have? I don't know.
The same middle name.
Why did the old man fall in the well?
Why did the old man fall? I don't know, man. Why?
Because he couldn't see the well.
Yeah. Well, that's a good reason to fall inside of a well. I'll give you that, man. I'll give you that. So, I would avoid the sushi if I was you. I'd avoid the sushi.
Why is that?
It's a little fishy. Got him.
Oh man. It's funny because it's not funny. That's why.
That's the point of the dad jokes. Dad jokes aren't funny, man. They aren't funny at all. Nothing funny about this. Hit me with one.
What do ghosts eat for breakfast?
I don't know, man. What do ghosts eat?
Dreaded wheat.
Dreaded wheat. Yeah, because you feel dread, like you feel scared when you're on a
Yeah.
ghost. I got it. I got you. That's cool. Why did the cowboy get a wiener dog?
Why? I don't.
He wanted to get a long little doggy. He wanted to get a long little doggy.
You want to get a long little doggy? What?
Yeah, you know.
Okay.
Okay.
You're my dad.
All right, I'm your dad in this scenario.
Dad, can you put my shoes on? And then you are supposed to say, I don't think they'll fit me.
Oh, okay, because my feet are bigger than yours. People say they pick their nose, but I feel like I was just born with mine.
I get it.
You get it?
Yeah.
Some people pick their nose.
Some people. Yeah.
Like they get to go to like a plastic surgeon or
Well, yeah.
whatever.
Kim
Yeah.
Kardashian. And then
Yeah.
How does NASA organize a party?
I don't know. How does NASA organize a party, bro?
They plan it.
That's good. That's good. That's a good one. I'm not going to laugh at it, but it's good. It's good. It's punny. What's red and bad for your teeth?
Books?
No. Bad for your teeth? Books?
Yeah, if you try to bite the books.
Yeah. No, that's true. But this one also, a brick.
How do you find Will Smith in the snow?
Just look around for Will Smith and like how you find him, I guess. I don't know.
You look for Fresh Prince.
Oh, that's good. That one's solid. I like that one. All right. Well, that was Dad Jokes, YOUmedia style. Once again, my name is Colin, the Unbeaten, and
Izzy Dion.
Yeah,
Instagram, SoundCloud, Twitter, Izzy Dion. YouTube.
and Dad Joke Loser. See you later.
Hi, welcome to YOUmedia. We're hosting the Dad Joke Challenge. I'm Marcellus DeVero with my guest.
Marek, aka Lil TPK.
Since you're the guest, you can go first.
How did the hipster burn his mouth?
I don't know how.
He ate the pizza before it was cool.
I get it now.
I don't get it.
What do you call a drummer without a girlfriend?
What do you call a drummer without a girlfriend?
Homeless.
What holds water yet is full of holes?
Jesus.
No. SpongeBob SquarePants. I did it to myself.
What sound does a piano make when you drop it on an army base?
What sound does a piano make when you drop it on an army base?
A flat major. I get it now. Because the major of the army.
No, just stop.
Okay.
Tell me this. What did the big hairy monster do when he lost his hand?
What did he do when he lost his hand?
He went to the second-hand shop.
I don't get it.
Me neither.
What did the left eye say to the right eye? Between you and me, something smells. Okay.
Why did the ghost have a bandage?
I don't know. Why did the ghost have a bandage?
It had a boo boo.
So I guess I win. That's 3-0.
I did it to myself.
So that's conclude our dad joke challenge. Marcellus once again give up for
Marek. I'm disappointed.
Hey, it's your boy Gio. I'm back. We're back at it again. YOUmedia Miami with another dad joke, and this version is tag team. So, I'm here with,
Marcellus and Isaiah.
and I'm Gio. So you can start off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Slept like a log last night. Woke up in the fireplace.
I'm reading a book on history of glue. I can't put it down.
I get it. Because it's glue.
Oh. What did the baby corn say to the mama corn?
You're looking well roasted.
Where's popcorn?
Huh?
Where's popcorn?
Where's popcorn?
Oh,
The dad.
yeah, that was pretty. That was pretty good. Where does Batman go to the bathroom?
The bathroom?
Yes.
I don't know how I should feel about that one. Isaiah, tag. Just read this one.
I never laugh.
What do you call a cow with no legs?
I know this.
He's about to laugh. Ground beef.
Good job. Can you tell me this, sir? What's 50 Cent's name?
He chuckled a little bit.
Chuckles in laughing. Be
What's-
gone.
What's the question?
I said, what's 50 Cent's name? Is
That's 2-1, I
trying
believe.
to finish the joke. What's 50 Cent's name in Zimbabwe?
I don't know what is 50
$400 billion. I'm
How do you make holy water?
how?
You boil the hell out of it.
That is it for this round of dad jokes. So, catch you on the flip side.